What's up, YouTube? So today we got another video, another banger. This video gonna be a point of view, me telling you more about the channel and shit like that. But as of right now, I need y'all to go screen, man. Go screen it. We looking good so far. We looking good. Y'all need to go screen, go screen. Go ahead and get me to 200. Let's do it. I got a video just dropped like 2 weeks ago, still going viral. Purge night video. Go screen that up, go like. Get me to 3,000 views. But let's get back to the real video. Man, we back on the road. These folks got construction, been doing this shit for down there 3 motherfucking months and still ain't got shit done, man. These folks just fucking up the road, that's it. And by the way, it's raining, as you can see. It's raining, you dig? And we still gonna act a fool while it raining. Man, these folks done put some fucking billy goats up here. Probably can't see them. These folks got the goats up here. That's crazy. I'm telling you. Them folks making their own backyard farm for shit show. That red light, man. What if I just do one right here in the middle of this intersection?
If I had a faster car, I would. Like if I had like a Lamborghini or a McLaren or something, I'd be bucking all the time, bro.
You think 12 gonna pull a nigga over?
I book every time, bro.
That's what I slick wanna do though. I wanna book. Oh, I go 12 right there.
When I get that RS7, I'm booked every time. Like
I nigga right there.
I ain't gonna go before. I'm booked.
Yeah, and we are 13.
You got the traction on?
Yeah. He's scared. He heard that traction off.
Yeah, why the fuck you got with the traction on? It raining.
So I can slide that motherfucker. What you think? Bro, it's all about who behind the wheel. You scared for your safety? If you scared for your safety, you can get out.
Nigga, what?
Look, the red light don't even work, man. It's a setup. Waiting for a crash to happen.
What about the other one?
Shit. That beat the high score. That beat the high score. That beat the high score. And we just beat the high score.
We got to go DQ.
Shit, I don't know where I'm about to go.
Oh, okay. Oh, you about to go in the backfield? I mean the back.
Yeah. Cause I think it's like a little spot up here somewhere.
Yeah, we had this one donuts back here before. I think I raced you back here before.
Nah, we ain't race on this street. Well, we probably did race on this street.
Somebody on this street. You remember?
Yeah, we did race on this street. Yeah, that was us.
Where the train track thing is.
Yeah, that was Tri-City High School, man. Home motherfucking shit suits. These ain't no motherfucking bulldog. Nah, I'm just playing. That was my old little high school. Oh yeah, we can get wicked right here, can't it?
Wide enough. Wide enough.
Yeah, wide enough.
We will be in session.
School is in session, by the way. That was lit. And that's what we do.
Hey, this motherfucker got down smoke.
That motherfucker sliding.
Yo, your tire got low air pressure.
I don't know why. It just don't got no sensor in them motherfuckers. Lord, look at him. He like that. He like that. That young boy like that. See, that's what we do, man. Cut up in the rain, man. It's the most easy. Why not cut up in the rain when it's that easy? You get what I'm saying? My adrenaline rushing right now, boy. Yeah. I don't know. Every time I slide, I don't know. It's just like blood get to pumping. They probably just locked the school down right there. Them folks on the soft lockdown, so they kept me.
Catch them acting, we gonna bust them. 4-5 don't like to tuss. I'm fuck the sister. If you try to fight me, shoot her, bro.
Yeah, we can do it right here. We in the middle of the street with it. We in the middle of the street with it. We in the middle of the street with it.
I'm ready for it. Boy, that motherfucker slid though.
We in the middle of the street with it.
That motherfucker did slide though.
Appreciate that, gang.
I just lost control for me.
Man, come on now.
Backing up.
Man, come on, we do this, man. That ain't nothing but a road back. We do this. But yeah, guys, this channel gonna be lit, man. Just stay tuned. Wait for the posters to come in, and we're gonna get lit. I'm gonna try to post every Saturday if I can, though. That's only if I can. But for shit, so y'all gonna have a video every week. Every week. If not Saturday, Sunday. We cutting in front of him. He ain't come on now. We do this driving shit. And we in the rain with it today. You gotta be a real driver to motherfucking drive like that in the rain with no traction, though. What you do right here? Like, I got his blood rush. He scared too. We both scared.
By Greenbrier, it's a lot of space over there, like in the back where Burlington used to be at.
Yeah. Man, that's what we do though, man. We have fun. Bring these toys out just to have fun, and if you got a toy, what you driving it normal for? You did what I'm saying?
Well, I'm trying to tell you, I hate people that drive fast cars slow.
Man, what? That's my biggest pet peeve, bro.
When I was on the expressway, it was a nigga in the Stinger. He had hit that bitch though. It was a GT2.
Man, I done seen niggas
That
in.
bitch jump. That was my first time seeing
Yeah.
the Stinger jump. Like,
I think they got like 180 on the
he
dash.
was driving normal, then he done fucked around and just stomped the gas. That motherfucker jumped forward.
You must be trying to race him or something.
And he was just looking at me like he knew I wanted him, like I wanted to see something.
Yeah.
Show me something. That motherfucker slow. Then he show me something. That motherfucker, he hit the gas. That motherfucker done jumped up.
Took off on your way. You like, what the fuck?
Man. Made me want to go buy a little Stinger GT2.
Man, I done seen a nigga in a Hellcat,
GT2,
bro.
that's the fastest Stinger.
Yeah, I know that. I done seen a nigga in a Hellcat, though. Nigga going 30 miles. I'm like, damn.
Yeah,
My nigga hit the gas. Like, just like this little bullshit right here. You see how fucking they going? But I respect them because they ain't driving in no sport shit.
You seen that parking lot be every morning with all them fucking fast cars?
Man,
It's
what?
like every day I see some fast
Shit,
cars.
boy.
That Ferrari.
You go downtown, you will see fast shit everywhere you go, boy. Going around, these folk don't even want to drive. These folk don't even want to drive for real. Beat that light. So we really just embracing the Challenger, you know, just embracing it today, man. Just giving it respect. Phone going off. I'm trying to make video. You know, we still on the road, man. Still on the road, still popping our shit. Still fucking a nigga bitch. Still selling these white boy bricks. If you got BOA, tap in now. It going instant. Too much shit going on. You read that shit in 5 seconds, Chevy 500. Nigga probably can't even control that motherfucker. That shit probably be too fast for a nigga. Chevy 500? I think it is. I ain't sure. Yeah, we got big opening field like this motherfucker. Come over here.
Nah, like the back, like
Oh. Cause over here we got good little space. And we on the front street though. My boy said not right here, he shook.
Nigga, I'm talking about the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to do though. Go to the back of that motherfucker. Cause right now, but we got a wide open field. We can get wicked in the opening. That's where I need to be at, man. Planet Fitness, man. I gotta get back to working out. Why we start going for, bro?
Yeah, I stopped going there, but I ain't stopped working out.
Nigga, I need to start back working out, boy.
Why we start going there? Nigga, I ain't stopped working
Nigga,
out.
I felt good for them little 2-3 days. I mean, the first day, nigga was so, but after that third day, it started feeling like that shit was normal. Like, I can't even feel it. Like, I can't even feel the pain no more.
Yeah.
Part 2 today.